Hello and welcome to the channel Artisans Web. I'm Sajid and today we are going to see how to apply client-side validation using AngularJS. So here you can see I have taken a basic form which contains fields like first name, last name, email address and education. So we want to apply AngularJS validation here. So this is my page where I use Bootstrap to build UI for the form, and here I have included jQuery, JS and Angular JS as well. Okay, so this is my basic form. Let's see it one by one. So in order to use AngularJS, you need to declare ng app, ng controller. Okay, and by this way you can initialize your AngularJS. This is my ng app and this is my ng controller. Now this is my form. I have given name to my form, ng submit. I call function add user. ng submit means form gets submitted after clicking on submit, and I pass user to that function, and I use this user to build ng model of my input fields. Here you can see for first name I write down user.fname, for last name user.lname, for email address user.email, and for education user.education. And at last I pass user to the add user function. ng class submitted colon user submit. If you want to add class conditionally in AngularJS, then this is the way. So I explain you what I have done. So ng class submitted user submit. So this is the class, and this one we can say this variable acts like flag. So once I submit the form, here I have declared function, I make those variable flag true, user submit true, this one. And once that flag is true, this submitted class automatically get added to this form. And I have written some CSS using that class ng invalid, and I have given red border to that specific field. ng invalid will add to specific fields if validation for that field is failed. No validate is used to stop the HTML5 validation. As example, let's say I delete no validate, refreshing, submit. Yeah, here you can say HTML5 validation because I pass required field to first name, but I don't want HTML5 validation. That's why I pass no validate. Now I want all these fields are compulsory, so I added required attribute to all these variables. Okay, and you can pass regular expression as well. In my case, I don't want any numbers in my first name. I just want to allow characters to my first name, so I just pass regular expression to ng pattern. Okay. So let's see it. I click on submit. All fields have red border now because all fields are required and we have not filled anything else. If I inspect, here you can see form has submitted class here. Okay, and here you can see ng invalid class, ng dash invalid, because validation for that specific field are failed. So now Here you can see that scope.frm user. frm user is name of our form, and we are calling .valid method. It means if all validation are passed for that form fields, the form is valid. You can proceed further. So I have written console.log file. So I open console and fill all necessary fields. Sajid Sayyed s@test.com and select PC. Submit. Here you can see form is valid. So all validations are passed. So this is the basic validation, basic types of validation in AngularJS. We can explore more as well. So this is enough for the initial level. So I hope you understand the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.